We're here in Oakville with Sharon, who's had her windows and front door replaced. So Sharon, the day has finally arrived. We've installed everything. We'd like to get your thoughts on the finished product.
It looks so amazing. I actually could cry. I'm not gonna lie. I'm welling up because I've been waiting to do this for so long, and I finally made the decision to go ahead and do it. And I just can't believe how happy I am.
We're so excited
Yeah.
and we're so happy to hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got a beautiful new front door that matches
Yeah,
everything.
I know.
We see your back door's got the blinds in there.
Yep.
And the gentleman today we're installing.
So amazing, so kind, so polite, so courteous, made sure that everything, I can tell that they're tidying up everything. I'm so happy.
We're so glad to hear that.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to recommend us?
Oh, like 10.
Awesome.
For sure.
Awesome.
Yeah. I've already told my friends today, I'm like, this is who did it. They were so excited.
Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
I've been texting pictures all day to my friends. So
Well, we're so glad to hear
yeah,
that.
yeah, just start to finish. Great offer, like great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.